Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right sticky note for the task. Small squares for quick reminders, larger pads for outlines, and flags for indexing. Once done, test adhesive on an inconspicuous spot so it won't damage paper or paint later. Make sure to select a pen that won't bleed through, fine tip markers for lists, highlighters for emphasis, pencil for erasable notes. This gets you into action immediately. Don't over-prepare and start labeling key items now. You organize by color and placement so your brain maps information quickly. Blue for projects, red for urgent, yellow for ideas. Then apply layout techniques. Align edges to create columns, use margins for dates, and write headings in caps for visibility. Once arranged, use layering, place new notes on top to indicate progress, fold a corner to flag in progress, or move a note to a different column when done. These methods let you manage complex workflows. You finish by capturing lasting items. Photograph critical notes or transfer content to a digital list so ephemeral notes don't vanish. Once done, remove sticky notes carefully, peel slowly at an angle to reduce residue and tearing. If a note loses stick, press the adhesive back onto a clean surface briefly to reactivate it, or use tape for temporary hold. If residue remains, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol. Test first. This closes the process and ensures your system stays tidy and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.